Well, good afternoon viewers, and welcome to what is going to be a very short video here on YouTube. And today, as you can see, I'm in Digbeth, which is just outside Birmingham city centre, to do the little fair here, which I didn't even know existed until I watched Sky News a few weeks ago and it was featured on there. So anyway, I'll get you what's here. Unfortunately, one of the attractions that was here isn't here anymore. We'll go into that a little bit later, but in front there you've got the Star Flyer. First ride I did today. Yeah, it's alright, you get good views of the city centre. So I'll give you a little bit of information as I'm going around on what's what, who owns what, and token prices, etc, etc. But yeah, starting off with that one, the Star Flyer. Yeah, you got Wild Mouse there, the Revachon. Spinning cars. Well, it's not doing much spinning today. See the crane in there. It's having a new generator, I think, put in, but it's certainly not doing much. I think that would have been a coaster credit as well. That would have been 182. Not to worry, can't do anything about it. So yeah. And here I've dominated the Miami ride. I had a really good cycle on that actually. As I mentioned before, I don't mind my Miamis at all. I got the booster, I'll be walking past that shortly. Another booster, another fair, another booster, but yeah, pretty decent Miami, that one. Storm, another booster as I've said, another KMG one, this one. I haven't actually been on it yet. I might give it a swerve. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. After coming in here, finding out that the top scan wasn't here anymore, that the coaster credit's down, I've just lost interest really. I've still got 5 tokens left, so I don't know what it is, but yeah, there are rides as I mentioned on Saturday, the one at South Shields. Get yourself on them. I don't know, this one looks a little less intense than that one at Ocean Beach. Don't know, so I haven't been on it so I can't compare it, but yeah, that's Storm anyway. So I'll take you for a little walk round. So with this one you do actually get cycling both reverse and forward. This is where the top scan once was. I tell you, I am mighty pissed off it's not here. So apologies for the language, but I'm really looking forward to get on that one today. I appreciate these things are really a travelling attraction, but yeah, you know. And then obviously the coaster's not working. Monster Express, little ghost train credit. Did that one, it's alright, not too bad. And then just down here you've got Batazan dodgems. So they use the new lap bars on there as well. I might actually have a go on that one before we depart. Yeah, the Wilson's Waltzer, not too bad. It's got a good spin on there. Spin round in the cars. As you can see, 3 tokens per ride on that one. So you get the tokens as you're just walking over there. Serve you on the field. You've got like little machines around the fair. Right, found somewhere to close this off. I'll give you a bit more information on Digbeth Fair in Birmingham. Yeah, a long range view of the storm, which is just stopping actually. I think the Miami behind might be going around very shortly. So yeah, that's Digbeth. So not a great deal here. You've got little stores here. You've also got a little beach there, very similar to Brent Cross, which will be coming to the channel in the next few weeks. I aim to get down there and do the rides at Brent Cross. But yeah, anyway, short one, short and sweet today. Hope you've enjoyed it. This fair at Digbeth, it's located about a 15-minute walk from Birmingham New Street. Not too far, but otherwise you've got buses, regular bus services that serve Digbeth. Tokens, as I say, £1 a token. You can get them as you come into the fair at the entrance. And yeah, that's it really. Not a great deal else to say. Might finish it off with a little bit of off-riding in my hammer. I do like to include them on my fair videos. I might end up doing this. I'm just a bit sulky, as I said, that the top scan's not here anymore and the coaster's not working. So anyway, for this one it is tra for now, and I'll see you soon, no doubt. Continue to have a look at the Facebook account, Come Travelling with Rob Space Miller. Take care and I'll see you soon.